Hi, welcome back. Last time, I hope. So, for any non-zero number, x and y, and all integers, positive and negative integers, a and b, these things work. So, x to the eighth power times x to the bth power is x to the a plus b. So, it works whether a and b are positive or negative. This works for all integers, all numbers, as long as they're not zero. Zero is a special case. Any number, positive or negative, raised to a positive or negative power, and then raise that to a power, you're still just multiplying. So if I had x to the fifth raised to the negative third power, that would be x to the fifth times negative 3. That would end up being x to the negative 15th power. Think about that. X, y to any number is x to that number, y to that number. If I'm dividing, I'm subtracting. And if I divide two numbers, just like when I multiply two numbers, the a kind of distributes. Let's try them. 19 squared over 19 to the fifth. So think, right? 19 2 minus 5 equals 19 to the negative 3 equals 1 over 19 to the third, right? I just think as 19, 5 minus 2, I get my 3, but you can do what you want. 17 to the 16th power minus 17 to the negative third power. 17 to the 16th minus negative 3, that's like plus 3. So 17 to the 19th power, right? When I see this negative, this is basically going to go up here. That'll be like 17 to the third plus 17 to the sixth. If a number is negative 1 in 11, so a is any integer and y is a non-zero number, what do we get? So b in 11, I don't even know what they're talking about there. I'm going to check the answer sheet, see if it's worth it. All right, for this one, we want to go back up to 11. So b equals negative 1. So, and we have a y there. So we go way back up here to, where is 11? Hold on. All right, so this is supposed to be 11. So when we have x to the b times the a. So what they just want you to do here is, if I have x to the negative 1 raised to the 8th power, then that would be x to the negative 1 times a, which is x to the negative a power, right? And we can prove that by saying x to the negative 1 is 1 over x to the a power. And we know when we have division here, and it's all raised to a power, so we've got this raised to a power and this raised to a power. So I've got 1 to the a power over x to the a power equals, well, it doesn't matter what a is, because 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, however many times you do it, it's going to be 1. So this is 1 over x to the a power, and we know 1 over x to the a power is equal to x to the negative a power. So if you have a negative 1 raised to a power, you're going to get the negative power. If you did it the other way, if this was x to the a raised to the negative 1 power, you'd still multiply by negative 1, and that would be x to the a to the negative 1. Well, then you just raise that to a negative 1 power, so that would be 1 over x to the a. Okay. All right, show that this is this. So 7 fifths to the negative 4 power. let's do that on our next one.